Hello everybody and welcome to my Hypershot video. Today I will only use the shotgun. Let's get into it. Okay, we are in the match. So this is gonna be one of the few times I've ever played Roblox Hypershot in like forever. So let's see. I think it's capture the flag. My team is winning. So yeah. Let's see if I can actually do good here. My goal right now is just to get the flag. Oh, okay, well. Oh, I have the flag, Go, 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 go. I'm gonna die, I can't use my abilities. Go, 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 go. No, I was so close. Okay. So that was my first death. Playing with just shotgun is hard because it's a close range weapon. Also, seeing that it's the only weapon, what happens when I run out of ammo? Okay. Okay. Someone just had a... Okay. Don't know what that was. Enemy, enemy, enemy. Let's go again. Okay. Yeah, so I'm not the best at this game, as you can tell. This is like my first time, so just wanted to try this out. Oh! See, like that? That's just... Okay. Hey! Took my kill. Okay. Let's keep going. I think I should reload. Okay. Okay. So, I've been thinking, I don't know what type of videos I should do next. Recommendations are good. Haha, lol. He's dead. Sucks for him. But, yeah. How did I not hit that? Oh shoot, I'm gonna die. There, let's go. Finally, I got a kill. Let's go. Woo! So, I think my next video is gonna be like a Rocket League video or something. Okay, I'm really bad. So, yeah. I will do some Let's Plays and all this other stuff. But for now, let's just focus on the game. Okay, I'm in. I'm going in. See the flag, Go, go, go. No one's on me, Yoink! Go, 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 go. This is my goal right now, is to get 1 point. Shoot. Weave. Go, 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 go. Run! Let's go! I did it! Yes. Well, oh, I won the game for us. Let's go. That's awesome. Okay, well, that was round 1. So, yeah. Let's see what's next. I do have some cases, though, that I could open. So let's open this up. Ooh, that's a good. Ooh, yeah, no, I'm equipping that. It's fire. Okay, well, let's see what the next round is. Oh, it's a FFA. At least it says that. But I think it's Team FFA. Okay. Someone has like a tra-la-la gun or something. Okay, I just got it. So my goal is just to get better. Right now, saying that this is the only reason for this is just to get kills, I say let's get on the leaderboard, or at least help our team win, because I'm being spawn trapped and now I'm stuck. Okay, let's just keep going. Dang it. Oh, okay. There are a lot of people in this server. That's one. Let's go. My first kill. There's not much else I can do saying that. Oh, dang it. I think I got him. Wait, genuinely? Okay. Okay, there. That's good. It was forcing me to try out a premium weapon for some... No! Don't want this weapon. Okay. This is not what the video is about. Okay, I'm getting kind of annoyed. There we go. Okay. Let's just go back to our other loadout real fast. Okay. Now we're in for real. Okay, I just died instantly. Let's keep going. Oh, I'm almost dead. If only I could use something else. Oh, oh! My goodness. Don't know how I got that far. Let's just climb up here. See if I got anything good up here. Yes! That's another. Oh! Dang it. Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure our team is losing right now, so I've got to lock in. Okay. So, I've been trying to start a channel like this for a while, and I'm so glad that I actually have some subscribers already. Let's see. Okay, well, that was definitely a bot. Okay, that was not a bot. No way. There's no way. Oh, that was the first try. Let's go. I'm actually doing good right now. Why am I emoting? Why am I emoting? Okay. Wow, these guys are really good. Because I'm not. Okay. Let's keep going. Ooh, player. Steal. I would say I have decent movement. Oh, that was a good play. Nice play, guys. I'm actually doing good right now. Oh, okay. Let's do this thing. Okay. Well, let's see here. Blocks Fruits is one of my favorite games, and it's gonna be coming out soon, which is something I love. But yeah, okay. There's a guy here. Get him. No, I was so close. Okay. All right. Next time. Reload that. I have terrible movement in this game. Wow. Get him. Oh, yes. I'm doing so good right now. Overall, my thoughts on shotgun is really good, actually. I like this a lot. I think I'm gonna play more Hypershot in the future. So, yeah. Except when I die like that. Okay, let's just keep going. I'll open up all that stuff later. Okay, I'm so bad. Okay, here's a guy. Get him. Oh, no. Okay. I'm almost out of time right now, so just get one more. Oh, dang it. They took it from me. Okay. I think I got 11 kills, 7 assists, and 22 deaths. Overall, I'm giving the shotgun a ranking of 8 out of 5 because this is probably the first gun I've ever played. Thank you for watching. Until next time.